This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Billy Brown and Tanya Wall. Very nice 4.35 acre estate property, some of the best sandy loam soil in Whatcom County, beautiful tall fir trees, many cleared areas, home site faces south for plenty of sunshine. Home needs complete renovation. Previously remodeled in the late 1990s, so bones are good. Professionally drawn house plans attached to supplements, unique country fireplace, large rooms, large 48 by 30 ft shop, insulated, new rain gutters, new paint, large mezzanine, newly resurfaced floors, bathrooms connected to second septic system, kitchen, plus separate 2-car garage with shop area. Convenient central rural location, just a short drive to Bellingham or the Canadian border. Tremendous potential, so come roll up your sleeves and create your own equity. For more information, review the details below or contact Billy Brown and Tanya Wall at 360-220-7175.